In a quiet corner of the city, lived a woman named Emily, whose life was a canvas filled with vibrant hues and subtle shades. Her story was one of resilience, as she painted her way through the challenges of mental health, creating brushstrokes of hope that illuminated a brighter future. Emily had always been drawn to art, finding solace and expression in the strokes of a paintbrush. However, as she navigated the ups and downs of life, she found herself facing a different canvas, an intricate tapestry of mental health struggles. Anxiety and depression cast shadows over her days, making even the simplest tasks feel like an uphill battle. Amidst the darkness, Emily clung to her passion for art. With each brushstroke, she found a temporary escape from her inner turmoil. She poured her emotions onto the canvas, letting the colors and textures become a visual diary of her journey. Through her art, she discovered a unique language that spoke volumes without words. One day, Emily had an idea that would change not only her life but the lives of others. She decided to turn her art into a medium for healing and awareness. Emily created a series of paintings that vividly depicted the emotions she experienced. From the heavy strokes of anxiety to the delicate wisps of hope, her artworks captured the complexities of mental health in a way that resonated deeply. Emily's collection of paintings became a bridge, connecting her personal experiences with the struggles of countless others. She held an art exhibition titled Brushstrokes of Hope, where she unveiled her creations to the world. Each painting was accompanied by a brief narrative, offering glimpses into the emotional landscape that inspired it. The response was overwhelming. Visitors to the exhibition found solace in Emily's art, recognizing their own feelings and experiences mirrored on the canvas. The power of her storytelling through art sparked conversations about mental health that were long overdue. Emily's exhibition became a safe space where people could share their stories, realizing they were not alone in their battles. Encouraged by the impact of her exhibition, Emily decided to take her mission further. She began collaborating with local mental health organizations, using her art to raise funds and awareness. Together, they organized art therapy workshops that provided individuals with a creative outlet to express their emotions. Emily's guidance and personal journey created an environment of empathy and healing. Through her art and advocacy, Emily painted a brighter future for herself and others. Her journey was proof that even in the darkest moments, the strokes of hope could create a masterpiece of resilience. She continued to share her story through interviews, workshops, and social media, weaving a tapestry of understanding and breaking down the stigma surrounding mental health. Emily's legacy lives on in the countless lives she touched. Her art continues to inspire and ignite conversations, reminding everyone that healing can be found in unexpected places. Through the canvas of her life, Emily painted a portrait of hope, proving that even in the face of adversity, there's always room for brighter colors and better days ahead. Please subscribe for more videos.